Connections तो है ही.
In a way, I would say
हाँ.
in a way, connections, I mean, of course, रहते हैं, but you know, आईना, it is not how people think it is. बहुत tough था to understand इंडस्ट्री चलती कैसी है. अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे पता नहीं, मेरी एक ही फिल्म आई है जो अभी भी थिएटर में है, तो बुरा बहुत लगता है यार, arrogant और pompous about this, but it is not the time for a decent looking hero. Understood?
Yeah.
It is not your time. It is time
Oh
for
God.
different actors. People who don't want to see a fair boy on screen. Varun.
Varun.
messaged.
What
He
did
was
he
very
say?
happy. He said, I have not watched the film, but I'm hearing really good things about you. So God bless you.
Oh, so you know Varun from
Yeah,
before?
of course.
Oh.
Like little bit.
Little
Yeah,
bit.
he's come here. Yes, so.
Oh, okay. Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with Jibran Khan after Ishq Vishk Rebound. So nice to have you.
Hi, Aina. It's good to have you back again in my life. Yes.
Yes, very good to have you. First of all, I have to say that I really liked your performance in the
thank
film.
you, thank
It
you.
was actually impactful, and every time you came on screen, you did prove and justify कि आपको वहाँ क्यों रहना चाहिए. So definitely this is what I felt, and people around me also while watching the film, we felt the same. पहले तो मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था that you know आपने कहा था कि मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद कोई स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी, and that's why I did Ishq Vishk Rebound. What made you say no to everything else that came your way, and why Ishq Vishk Rebound? Because a lot of people, काफ़ी लोगों को ये सवाल था कि what made you say yes to this film?
Okay. Firstly, hi Aina.
Hello.
Good to have you back here.
Same.
And thank you for the compliments. This means a lot to me because I feel somewhere as an actor, at least being a child actor and coming back as an adult, I needed this validation that, you know, bro, you can act. You know, that is something which I think really I needed that going for me. Coming back to your question, I think the journey Aina, those few years before Ishq Vishk, like I think 4 to 5 years, where I was constantly on the go looking for work. उसमें से 2 साल was COVID also, so that was the worst time. And I think that time the OTT era just begun and it was booming.
Right.
So the offers I got, the films I got, somewhere I got rejected. I was replaced last minute after doing look tests. I was some of them I didn't like because there were things which didn't go according to me, and I'm a very simple person. For me, I'll tell you, as an actor, at least this is what has worked for me as my first film. When I read something, when I audition for something, my gut feeling has to tell me it is good. Like that first feeling you get na ki yaar, no, this is nice.
Yeah.
That was the feeling I got with Ishq Vishk. Of course, I've got that for a few more projects which didn't work out. I didn't get it. Like I told you, I was replaced. No hard feelings about this because this is the process of the industry. Tomorrow there might be someone who's worthier, who comes with a better name. All these things are happening. So there's nothing wrong about it. It's okay. It's the process. Today I can sit here proudly and say that Ishq Vishk is something which I have earned. I got it by myself on my merit. My makers thought I had potential. That's why they gave me a film like that. I could sing and dance. I could perform.
Yeah.
My character had what I think many actors derive from what they look into a script. So I think I was very blessed to get that.
हम सबको पता है आप चाइल्ड एक्टर रह चुके हो इन द बिगेस्ट बैनर, करण जौहर, शाहरुख खान, आप डेविड सर के साथ भी काम कर चुके हो. कोई भी सोचेगा कि इसके लिए तो आगे रास्ता काफ़ी साफ है, इसके लिए मंजिल काफ़ी साफ है, उससे काम के लिए बस हाँ बोलना है. एंड नाउ व्हेन यू आर सेइंग कि यू फेस्ड रिजेक्शंस, it's a little like, why is someone who's already been a part of the industry also facing this?
पहले तो मैं भी यही सोचता था, to be very honest. मैं जब कॉलेज जैसी ख़त्म हुई थी,
connections तो है ही.
In a way, I would say in a way, connections, I mean, of course, रहते हैं, but you know, Aina, it is not how people think it is. लोगों का बहुत ये एक perception हो गया है कि नहीं, अगर आपने काम किया है या आपके कोई फैमिली कॉन्टैक्ट्स है या आप किसी के बेटे या बच्चे हो, आपको काम ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। ये एटलीस्ट मैंने अपने अभी जो करियर में मैं हासिल किया हूँ, जितना मैंने ऑडिशंस दिए, जाके लोगों से मिला हूँ, ऐसे काम नहीं होता है। इट इज़ वीव रीच्ड एन इंडस्ट्री पॉइंट नाउ जहाँ पर आपके टैलेंट को देख के ही काम मिलता है। एंड अब एक तरीके से ये भी हो सकता है कि अगर मैं 5-6 साल पहले अगर डेब्यू कर लेता, मे बी एज एन एक्टर मैं रेडी नहीं था, यू नो, मे बी मेरे में कुछ खामियां थी, मे बी माई फेस हैड नॉट मैच्योर्ड। तो आई डोंट ब्लेम एनीवन यार, एक कैरेक्टर का एक लुक होता है, अगर वो फिट होता है तो होता है। तो इट्स, मेरी भी ये परसेप्शन थी कि यू नो काम मिल जाएगा, यू नो, मैं बहुत ऐसा सोचता था। आई वॉज ऑलरेडी अ हीरो इन माई हेड व्हेन आई वॉज इन कॉलेज, व्हेन आई वॉज वर्किंग विद शामक, आई न्यू कि यू नो आई विल गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, मुझे तो कोई ना कोई साइन कर लेगा। बट ऐसा नहीं होता है। यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड हियर, यू हैव टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ दैट ब्रो आई एम ऑल्सो समथिंग, यू नो, लाइक वेदर इट इज योर परफॉर्मेंस, वेदर इट इज योर dance, whether it's your personality, the way you look, your body, all these things matter. Yes, at the end of the day it is how you are as an actor. आपकी एक्टिंग ही आपको आगे लेके जाना है जी। तो एक, या शायद वो प्रोड्यूसर्स डायरेक्टर्स को वो टाइम पे कुछ मुझ में दिखा नहीं, बट फिर एक ऐसे बंदे भी थे रमेश जी जैसे, जिन्होंने कुछ देखा एंड आज साइन किया है, फिल्म आ गई है, रिलीज हो गई है, गाने हिट हो गए, पिक्चर को बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, तो इट्स फाइन यार, इट जस्ट वर्क्स। आई थिंक इट्स अ प्लान, इट वर्क्स आउट।
How did you deal with the fact when you got in touch with the reality of the industry or the reality of you know, जो मैं सोच रहा था वैसा तो है ही नहीं, जो मैंने प्लान किया था वो वैसा है ही नहीं।
सो आईना, मैं ना, मेरे को ये घुमा फिरा के बात करने का आता नहीं है। जुबैर मेरे बोलते रहते हैं कि थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक बनो, बट यार बहुत टफ था टू अंडरस्टैंड इंडस्ट्री चलती कैसी है। अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे पता नहीं, मेरी एक ही फिल्म आई है जो अभी भी थिएटर में है, तो बुरा बहुत लगता है यार। यू जैसे मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि इट इज़ नॉट अ फिजिकल career, it is not your, it's not about how you are physically, you have to be mentally strong। अगर आपका दिमाग ही strong नहीं है इसमें, आप नहीं कर सकते हो। मैं सबको बोलता हूँ, मोर देन अप्रिसिएशन आपको रिजेक्शन की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि पहली बात तो आज सोशल मीडिया आ गया है, हर एक बंदा जिसके पास एक इंस्टाग्राम आईडी है वो आपको कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट इवन ट्रोलिंग एनी मोर, इट इज़ बियॉन्ड ट्रोलिंग, इट इज़, आई थिंक इट्स ब्रूटैलिटी। मतलब हम इतने उत्सुक हो गए हैं किसी को भी जज करने को, कुछ भी बुरी चीज़, तो ये सब चीज़ों का आपको प्रिपेयर रहना पड़ेगा। यू नो, जो भी नए लोग हैं, जो भी नए बच्चे आ रहे हैं, मैं उनको यही बोलूँगा कि बॉस, बी प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली, फिजिकली यू विल डू एवरीथिंग। वो आपको एक ताकत आ ही जाएगी, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है ये करना है, मुझे रात को 11 बजे सोना है, 10 बजे सोना है, बट यहाँ का क्या, हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद दैट? सो इट वॉज नेवर ईजी ब्रो, इट वॉज नेवर ईजी। I have cultured myself with that.
To be this person.
Yes. Imagine being replaced 1 week before a film is starting. So it's not easy. But you have to understand that this is how it works. आज मेरे साथ हुआ है, कल किसी और के साथ हो सकता है, मेरे साथ भी आगे चल के हो सकता है।
Did the unpredictability of the industry ever make you want to give up acting?
No, never.
How?
Because मेरे में बहुत बड़ा कीड़ा है। मैं अपने आप को ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि बॉस मैं नहीं तो कौन। इट इज़ नॉट एन एरोगेंट स्टेटमेंट, प्लीज डोंट गेट इट रॉन्ग। इट इज़ जस्ट माई वे, जो मैं अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंस देता हूँ कि बॉस, मैं खुद को बोलता हूँ कि अगर मैं नहीं तो कौन। सो दैट कीप्स मी गोइंग एंड आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस। मुझे बचपन से ये चीज़ का शौक है, शौक था और शौक रहेगा। इट्स नॉट दैट नहीं क्योंकि मैंने फिल्म में एक्टिंग की है तो मुझे करना है। मुझे फिल्में पसंद है, मुझे हिंदी फिल्में, मुझे हमारे देश में जितनी फिल्म बनती है बहुत पसंद है, एंड आई होप इन लाइफ आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट स्टोरीज एंड डायरेक्ट। दैट इज समथिंग आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू बिकॉज आई लाइक सिनेमा, आई लव इट, आई हैव ग्रोन अप ऑन इट, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ। Yesterday someone asked me what are the 2 most important things in your life which give you the most happiness? I said music and films.
Yeah.
And that was, I didn't take a second to think. So I cannot give up, and as an actor also, Aina, you cannot give up.
Yeah.
You cannot have that. If you feel like you can't do this now, then this industry is not made for you. Yeah. It is a pressure industry. It is very hard. There is a competition sitting next to you every 2 meters. You need to be confident enough अपने अंदर के बॉस मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, और अगर आप में ज़रा सा भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस नीचे हो गया ना, देन ब्रो डोंट कम इन.
I've spoken to a lot of actors,
जी.
especially who are doing well now. अब उनमें वो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि वो बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ मुझे बोला गया था कि मैं ऐसी दिखती हूँ या ऐसा दिखता हूँ, तो मेरे बारे में ये चेंज करना चाहिए. Did
जी.
anyone ever inculcate any sort of self doubt in you that you look this way or you should look that way or you should do this to yourself or you know lose weight, gain weight, whatever?
यार अभी सबका एक परसेप्शन होता है कि एक एक्टर कैसा होना चाहिए, क्यों होना चाहिए. कभी कोई बोलता है इतनी बॉडी नहीं होनी चाहिए, कभी कोई बोलता है बॉडी होनी चाहिए. तो समझ में नहीं आता है कि मैं करूँ क्या. एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव हैड a couple of incidents like this where someone has told me something.
Like
No, if I say that then I'll get into trouble. So but no, like for
Yeah.
example, it is not the time where you should be trying in films. I don't want to sound arrogant or pompous about this, but it is not the time for a decent looking hero. Understood?
yeah.
It is not your time. It is time
Oh
for
God.
different actors. People who don't want to see a fair boy on screen.
Character actors.
Yeah, I want, you're not there. Think about something else. I've been told this, but when I went back home, I was like, this person is not going to tell me मुझे क्या करना है.
करना चाहिए.
So this is where Aina, you know, like you need to, आपको ये confidence होना चाहिए. ये actor बनना बहुत tough है boss. Like it is not an easy job.
You know, पिक्चर देखने के बाद भी काफ़ी लोगों को लगा कि they wanted to see you more on screen. Did you feel the same about yourself watching Ishq?
Of course, any actor would want more screen time. कोई actor घूम के कभी नहीं बोलेगा कि बॉस मुझे इतना ही स्क्रीन टाइम मैं खुश हूँ. नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स अब सबको ज़्यादा चाहिए. हम भूखे हैं यार.
हाँ.
हम काम के भूखे, हमें चाहिए कि और स्क्रीन टाइम मिले.
चाइल्ड एक्टर्स के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट ये होता है क्योंकि वो इतने पॉपुलर हो जाते हैं एज अ चाइल्ड एंड यू वर सच अ लव्ड चाइल्ड एक्टर. पीपल लव्ड यू इन कमर्शियल्स, पीपल लव्ड यू इन K3G. वो क्यूट सा बच्चा हमेशा था एंड दैट वाज द टैग विद यू एंड Ali. I remember both of you all. So what I wanted to ask is, was it ever difficult to break from the child actor tag and make people realize that now I can do adult roles, now I can romance on screen, now I can do action on screen, because वो एक बच्चे की इमेज हमेशा रहेगी.
I think वो इमेज मुझे कभी छोड़ेगा नहीं, to be very
Yeah.
honest. It is going to be there for the rest of my life. But I think yes, 15 साल पहले या 10-20 साल पहले ये चीज़ काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट थी कि चाइल्ड एक्टर का वही फेस रहेगा, वो ही कांट ब्रेक आउट ऑफ इट. हमारे कुछ सीनियर एक्टर्स थे हु वर चाइल्ड एक्टर्स एंड दैट स्टेड विद देम. बट आई थिंक वो दौर अलग था यार आईना. आई थिंक नाउ पीपल आर वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग. अभी लोगों को काम से मतलब है बॉस. अगर काम आता है तो इतना नहीं सोचते जजमेंटल. आई थिंक बहुत लोग को अभी भी नहीं पता कि यार ही इज दैट K3G kid. He is that kid. Yeah, I'm being honest. Like I am getting messages now. Oh my God, it is you. So somewhere then I feel I've won that battle because see, like I said, everyone has their journey. Maybe that time I looked kiddish. I looked like the child actor who you all thought I was. Maybe now I don't. I don't know that, but it is. I think that generation has changed now. Like people don't care so much about this. So even like you see now, there is an Avneet also. There is Harshali. I'm sure she's going to come back to films.
Yes.
I don't know many more. I can't think of it. But they are getting work. I'm an example also. But I'm thinking Avneet and all are relatively.
They were always in limelight.
They've grown up.
Yeah, they've grown up.
There's that boy also who dances very well, Siddharth Nigam.
Yeah.
Dhoom. Dhoom and like what not. वो तो teenage phase में है.
हाँ.
So I think that perception is gone now यार कि मतलब वो child वाली face नहीं. अभी तुम कर सकते हो, तुम talent है तुम में तो काम हो जाएगा.
But do you remember getting K3G and signing for the film, especially?
Yeah.
I know we were very young at that point of time, but वो impact पता चला था कि I'm going to be a part of Dharma and all. Like, did your parents ever explain how big this was to you?
No. So to be very honest, I had no idea about the impact at that time. For us, it was just another day where we went to audition. Of course, Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Amitabh Bachchan. That was K3G, yes. But I didn't know the impact it would have on me till the time, I think when I finished school, when I joined Shamak Davar as an instructor. that was the time I realized that, oh my god, I have done this film. I have done
Yeah.
films like this where people unabashedly were giving me love. That time,
Yeah.
and I still look little बच्चा also. So वो time पे समझ में आया कि वो I have done this film. But while shooting and all, of course, it was a big thing because I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. For life, I'll be one. So of course, I was so fanboying at that time. But Hrithik sir also, like I was fanboying majorly.
Yeah.
But I didn't know the impact it would have.
Yeah.
That came later.
That
in my
came
life.
much
Yeah,
later. No, it was. I remember meeting you at the screening and the amount of people that were telling you how good you were. Like you were trying to hold your tears
Yes.
back, and like you couldn't. I
You
feel like you were
noticed.
very overwhelmed
Yeah,
at that moment.
You
like,
noticed that, yes.
Like you were just like not saying anything. I'm
Yeah.
like, is he okay?
No,
Is
I
he
wasn't.
okay?
I wasn't
Like,
okay.
So I was
because,
like,
I
because a
was
lot of
just,
people will say a lot of things and screening में तो ये काफी होता है
Yes.
कि लोग बोलते हैं और एक्स्ट्रा ही बोल देते हैं कभी कभी.
जी,
So
जी,
I was
जी.
just like, okay, just take your moment, like enjoy it because
So I felt, you know, at the screening, now that you're speaking about it, I felt many people came to me not because I was there. They came out of their way to talk to
Yeah.
me. And I feel there was something genuine. You know, है ना एक आँख में पता चल जाता है जब कोई सच
Yeah.
बोल रहा है या बोलने के लिए बोल रहा है.
Yeah.
At least that's what I feel. I'm a bad judge of this.
Yeah.
But that day in the night, I felt कि you know जो भी आ रहा है कोई genuinely आ रहा है बोलने.
100%.
I'm
100%.
lucky, and yes, I was really holding
Oh.
myself. Yes.
Okay, I have a small rapid fire for you before
Yes, I love
we
rapid
end
fire.
this.
Yes, I love rapid fire.
Okay, quickly, one actor and director you want to work with.
Oh wow, Imtiaz Ali, Shah Rukh Khan,
Wow. An actress you wouldn't mind romancing on screen.
anyone, all are pretty. Anyone.
You have to give me one name. It's a rapid fire.
I don't know. Alia, Ananya,
In Ishq Vishk, Rebound, from the new generation.
give names, new generation.
Anyone, like you can.
I think Varun
Varun
Dhawan,
Dhawan.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I've got that a lot. Like people have told me, "अरे हमको वरुण धवन की याद
That
दिलानी."
is
So I was
so
like,
true.
I'm being compared to VD. I'm very happy.
Yeah, something about you and VD, I think it's the energy. That's very
VD,
similar.
love you, man.
Okay, a recent film you wish you did.
कौन सी आई है? अरे हेल्प
कितने आई
करो.
है कोई भी OTT पे आई है कोई भी फिल्म थिएटर में आई है.
Can I get back to you on this?
Okay, I'm
Okay.
going to give you
Yes,
time to think.
yes.
Okay, so tell me, how did you deal with unnecessary attitude you faced in the industry?
No, I've not got it. People really like
Never?
me. No, people like me. 1, 2 I've been snobbish, but it's okay.
And how did you deal with it?
Thank you. Love you too.
Okay,
Yes.
who do you think has a bright future in Bollywood from the younger generation?
Name who is the younger one?
Anyone, you, Rohit, Pashmina,
My,
Prajakta.
my cast, I'm going to be very biased.
Okay.
I want all of them to be super duper stars. Pashmina, Rohit, Naila. But I think from the newer lot, I really want Ahan Shetty to do well. I think he's a great guy. He's a great looker, amazing screen presence, great personality. Who else is there? Abhay, cute boy. I want Abhay to do. I want everyone to do well,
Do
but
well.
these are like people I know, and I know the amount of hard work they've done.
Yeah.
So I really want them to do well.
Them to do well. Okay.
Sharvari also.
Sharvari.
Yeah.
Yeah, she will.
I would like to romance Sharvari also in
Sharvari
a
on
film.
screen.
Yeah.
Sharvari should know this. YRF should know this. Okay. Kill, marry, hook up. Ananya, Janvi, Sara.
Kill Sara. Sorry, Sara. Marry Ananya. Hook up Janvi. Sorry, this is weird. Yeah, please don't keep this.
Zubair.
Yeah, please. I'm relatively new. Don't put this up, please. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Unknown fact about Rohit and Pashmina.
Rohit is always on his phone. Unknown fact. He's always working and always like trying to keep up with the his fan pages and all of that. That is an unknown fact. Pashmina is in her own world. Pashmina is always in her own world, and that's the best part because that's the sweetest thing about her.
It's innocent.
Yeah, it's very innocent. It's very, very innocent.
Okay, your forever Bollywood crush.
Shah Rukh Khan. Sorry, it can't
In
be a
girls,
crush.
it has to
Girls?
be a girl. It happens to be an actress.
Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor.
Okay. 3 things you will need on a stranded island with you.
Food. A lot of food. I don't know what that is, but I need food around me. Okay, no, but realistically, I would like my phone. I like to be on my phone. Something, music, a speaker, and a book to read.
A book to you
Yeah.
read.
Yes.
Okay.
Not as much, but I
But
read.
sometimes.
Yeah.
An underrated film that you saw recently. Oh, you feel
Uh,
like this film was very underrated.
A film I would want to do, Avesham.
Okay.
I would love to be a part of Avesham. One of those three boys, the college boys, I would love to be
Love
in
to
that.
be.
Yeah. An underrated film. What was I think I wish Chamkila would have released in theaters.
Oh,
So I don't
yes.
want to call it underrated because it got a lot of acclaim. But I wish that film came in theaters.
I'm with you on
Yeah.
this, like fully. And lastly, a sweet text someone sent you, but that person has to be someone popular after Ishq.
Varun.
Varun.
messaged.
What
He
did
was
he
very
say?
happy. He said, I have not watched the film, but I'm hearing really good things about you. So God bless you.
Oh, so you know Varun? From
Yeah,
before?
of course.
Oh,
Like little bit.
little
Yeah,
bit.
he's come here. Yeah, so.
Oh, okay. But nice meeting you
Thank you,
and
Aina.
lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank
we
so
wish you
much.
all the very best for everything that's coming in the future, and I'm sure a lot of work is going to come. So we're going to keep meet off.
Yes, of course. And thank you for removing time and coming.
Absolutely.
Really means a lot. And I really appreciate your compliments.
Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Jibran Khan. Please like, share, subscribe on Instant Bollywood.